Hey, so what is the proper way to generate a PowerPoint presentation with Copilot? I've seen so many people complaining about not being able to prompt correctly in the Copilot for PowerPoint, and they didn't have the appropriate deck. And so I'm going to show you the process I followed to create a PowerPoint deck. Actually, the best way to do it is to write an outline in Word and then you generate the PowerPoint deck from Word. But the way I do it is a little bit different. The way I do it is I have a loop. I brainstorm with my team on the loop. We add ideas, and what I do then is I copy. I don't think if I can copy the title, but I can copy the text. So I copy everything here and I put it in a Word document. So let me go here. I'm going to create a new document, call it the art of a good prompt, and I'm going to paste my content here with all the different ideas. And let's see if from that I can have a good result in PowerPoint now. So now I'm going to create a new PowerPoint. Oh, I need to come back here and grab the URL. Okay, I'm going to grab this, copy the link. Then I can go back to my presentation, trigger the Copilot, and ask to create from a presentation. Unfortunately, I cannot navigate in the file, so that's why I copy the URL, I paste the URL, and let's see. So I can show you why it's doing it. I've done that to create this deck, Who Needs Copilot, from a Word document. Who Needs Copilot? Here are some ideas that I copy paste from a loop page. It's a little overhead. I wish in the future that I just can write my PowerPoint from the loop, but or ask my coworker to brainstorm in Word. But I feel that loop is better to brainstorm. So let's go back to my presentation here to see if it's going somewhere. Oh, it's still looking at the file. I have to rename some slides. Goes image 1, image 2, image 3. It's true that loop was not really well organized like a PowerPoint can be. Crossing my fingers. Okay, the design is not super great. It tells me you can use Designer for adjusting layout. I'm probably gonna do that. But it generates the art of the prompt. Okay, so I might change the agenda here. The art of a good prompt, drafting some ideas and how to prompt efficiently. So format, table of first column should contain 5 bullet points. So it's not well presented, but I can fix that. What's interesting also is I think it should show an alternate text here. The woman who draw financial graphics. So Copilot adds add it adds information about pictures he added to give context for people who, you know, use a screen reader. So that's pretty neat. The output, image deck or Excel files, visual presentation of data, blog post, email for blog, written. Okay. The audience, generative AI subset of AI can generate new data, can create image. Looks pretty. At least it reflects what was in the loop component. The tone. I'm not sure why this image is here, but as you can see, the right process is not to write in Copilot, you know, a sequence of ideas, but put it in Word. Ask Copilot for PowerPoint to use the Word document to create the deck. You just need to form well your Word document with some paragraph maybe. So that's a good start, and at the end it put the images. So I need to add some. Does know what those images are for. I'm curious to see what is the alternate text here, if there's any. No, because it's just text. So I think it's not able to look at the text in the image. So, but it's pretty interesting to see the, you know, how fast it was to create a PowerPoint deck from a Word document, from a loop document, a loop page that we use to brainstorm and create a deck. So here I can just gonna change the title, the art of a good prompt. So I've done that several times, and it saves me time because now I just have to polish it. I think I have other examples. Unlocking efficiency with Microsoft Copilot. That's another thing I was brainstorming with my team. And here it put a better design here. So you can see some of the component address time crunch, Copilot for information consumption. So it's a deck based on the loop page again. And the loop page, you know, was, I don't know. Yeah, there was another one, maybe not this one, group thinking. So we brainstorm in this environment, and that's the one I use to say who should use Copilot. So this is a little tip. The tip is write your outline of your deck in a Word document, and then ask Copilot in PowerPoint to create the deck from the highlight in the Word document. And that way it works. Hope this was insightful.